Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. We have a vlog. If you guys have been keeping up with my vlogs, you would know that I finished my exams. Okay, I finished my exams. Today's Thursday. I finished my exams yesterday, and yeah, I have the entire weekend, the rest of the week free. And you guys, if you know how excited that makes me feel, it makes me feel so excited. I'm so happy. I got back yesterday and I had a bottle of wine. I ordered food. I ate. I watched YouTube, watched Netflix. Like I just relaxed after, like I just like went off to sleep. And then I woke up this morning. It is some minutes past 9 a.m. and I am still in bed. And you guys, I feel like a princess. I feel like I feel like I'm living in luxury, to be honest. Like this is such a luxurious thing for me to do, to just like sleep in. My god. But yeah, I just wanted to do this vlog so that you guys can see how I'm going to spend my time off. It's just a few days. I was actually really contemplating going home so that I can see my nephew. I miss that guy so much. Like that guy, I miss him so much. I wish he could just be living with me, honestly. We're starting surgery on Monday, and yeah, I want to be mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally prepared for that journey again. Like surgery is, I think, almost 3 months actually. Yeah, so I just want to be prepared for that. Like I want to be well rested. I want to be in a mental space where I'm prepared for it and everything. But yeah, you guys will see what I get up to. My food is in the microwave actually. I hope I've not burnt that food. Yep, almost burnt it. If you're curious about how this weekend is going to go, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I have moved to my desk and yeah, I'm having breakfast, or I just finished having breakfast, and I'm just here watching aesthetic medic. Wait, let me check what her name is. Let me show you guys. Yeah, aesthetic academic. She's a medical student in Australia, and yeah, I just really like her outlook on a lot of things. She's very unconventional, which I really like. So yeah, you should totally subscribe to her channel. But yeah, I'm just relaxing, okay? I'm just relaxing. It's in my room, you guys. I don't want to have to be the one to clean my room myself, but my cleaning person has decided to ditch me. But I'm still going to try one more time to see if I can reach her. If I can, then yeah. But if not, I actually then have to clean this room myself.
Off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe.
and then suddenly the person listening doesn't hear the full story sort of thing. So I was like, I wanted to be a proper storytelling thing.
I thought about that.
Yeah, so I was just like, I wanted it not to be with my friends. And also, I don't like to confuse.
Kingsley, who I had worked with on something, when I thought I was going to start selling t-shirts. Anyway, he did all my artwork, so I was like, hey, come back.
Give me an
Like, just, I said, have you ever said it in your life?
Give me
an eye, legit, or just let me tell you, the day we released the podcast, there was another I saw on the podcast media, and people are just like, you know, your friends supporting.
With the script, like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl, like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles in the night, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on C like I just tried. Hey, shorty to school to my rock, and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all out when they know the truth. Hey, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop.
Hey guys, so just ignore what is going on in the background, okay? Just ignore it. But I am so famished. I'm going to get lunch at my favorite booker. If you know, if you don't know, Gbono, I don't understand for you. But I'm going to get food there, and I just wanted to show you guys a little OOTD. I'm wearing this Ankara top and this big pants that I got from my sister. Yeah, so yeah, that is what it is looking like. So I'm just going to go. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I am dressed. I'm dressed and I am going out. I'm going for Tombola night at the Mtawa's bar. It's this game thing, it's like bingo, and it's just like really nice. I actually enjoyed it the first time I went, so there's another one today and I'm going. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. I just filmed with this top as part of my Shein haul video, and yeah, I'm wearing this top from obviously Shein. I just really like it, you guys. Blue is definitely my color. How did I not know this before? But yeah, the top is from Shein and the boyfriend jeans are from Fashion Nova. And yeah, that's what we are doing. Ignore this my ratchet bed over there that is just like there. I need to actually lay that bed and this other one, but I've just been so busy, like, you guys. Yeah, it is really ridiculous how busy I've been. Like, this is not the rest I was promised, okay? Like, I've been working all day, cleaning my room, filming, you know, just doing like stuff like that. But like the best thing about it is that I've been taking everything really easy, like just like taking my sweet time, so that's really good. But yeah, I'm just going to wait for Tawa now. She's going to call me and she's going to come pick me, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. In the meantime, I am actually supposed to be on a FaceTime call with a friend, so I'm just going to go back on my video call, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the bar, okay?
Say hey. Hi guys.
My Sarma.
Everybody asks,
What's popping?
when you're done cycling,
Are you ready?
out.
Are you
And
ready?
if you come out,
I'm ready. I came here to win, man.
You came here to win. How many times? Once or twice?
I'm carrying everything. You think 48, 84.
The number before that was what?
Oh, wow.
at least a full house will go from here. So now 2 days to respond.
If they should call
I just know I'm blown. House on 90. On 90.
Do you have one that has to do something? Wow, don't you say when there is life, there is no one.
Do you actually have
You want tonight? You are giving up. Well, that means you giving up. What you say, you do not give up. Everybody, what's the name? If have you won anything tonight? No, but you think you are still to do something. Well, you have won my heart.
Okay, let me run. So I finally won some. I'm about to win. Since last month. I'm about to win. No, about to. Oh my God. Tell me I won. Tell me I won. My baby's going to win, so I'm going to win. I'm going to share. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey.
Hi guys, good morning. It is the next morning. I had, as you people saw, I had such a good time at Tombola night yesterday. It was so good. I had a good time. I got back and I just crashed. Okay, I won a pack of spaghetti. That I don't really eat spaghetti. I actually did not used to eat spaghetti at all. I just started like trying last year, so I sold the pack of spaghetti because somebody wanted to buy it from me. It is now, what's the time? 10:30. I got up, I edited the exam vlog. That vlog should be up before this one is up. I edited that vlog. I am going to upload it today and it's going to go up today as well. So yeah, I have food in the microwave. Let me actually go and check it. Anyway, I have food in the microwave, leftover food from yesterday. I want to have for breakfast, and then I am going to go get some stationery. I need like new notes, new colored pens and whatnot for surgery posting that I'm starting on Monday. And I also need to go to the market to get groceries and like stuff to cook. You guys, I think I've started burning food in the microwave. Ah! Oh my God. Okay, I did not. Anyway, yeah, so you guys, the way the sun is just shining, it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, I think there's a textbook I actually want to buy, so I'm going to check for that as well. Then I also need to go submit my logbook for medicine. I forgot to submit it before I left the hospital on Wednesday, so now I have to go all the way back there to go and submit it. And then I'll go to the market, buy stuff to cook for next week. And yeah, that's how today is going to go. I think Ife is coming to sleep over later today, so I'm very excited about that. Love my girl. Okay, and yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm just going to have breakfast now and get going. Okay, I'm going to have breakfast and get going.
A beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey.
You guys, I saw Tawa.
Okay, I need to stop doing this thing. Hello.
And you look like an actual medical student.
This is what I look like outside of the cool places.
It's outside of the cool places.
I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn, 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, I'll lie when I know the truth. Hey, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Cool. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop.
Hi guys, good morning. It is a beautiful morning and my wifey is here. Let's say hi. You guys, she's blushing so much because I made her food. It's right there.
How many of you made food? In the comment section.
I promise you it's not plenty. I promise you it's not plenty at all. But yeah, Ife is here. She slept over. And you guys have been having such an amazing time. It's just so cool. But yeah, I really missed that. I think I said that in one of my vlogs actually.
I miss that too so much.
You guys, we spent the entire night gisting. I think we slept around. What time did we sleep, sir?
I feel like 2.
Yeah, we slept around 2.
Just get talking like oh, I'm really sleeping. Something else.
I swear, like we already feeling sleepy, yo. Like next thing, oh, so there's this person. I'm like, God, it's crazy.
But I miss that gist.
I know, right?
Talk, laugh.
You guys, but yeah, it feels like my ultimate study partner. Anytime that, but she's now not in my group. That's the problem. She's not in my group.
So it's so difficult to be able to laugh.
One day, if I was having exams, which day was it? Like
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. She just randomly called me. She was like, I miss you. I'm like, what happened? She was like, now I'm here. I'm reading with these people. And I wanted to play music. They were like, we don't read music.
Because when we are reading like music blasting.
They're always blasting music. And we like the same kind of music.
Yeah.
Like, it's always like, we are so in sync. It's so crazy.
Listen to music now.
It's like,
they're like,
no, we don't.
Give me headaches.
How? It's so crazy. But yeah, see my babe, Madam Canada.
Hello, Canada.
Oh shit, finish them.
Pay you the dollar.
But yeah, I made Ife eggs. Like I actually woke up this morning and I was like, Ife, what will you eat?
I did. Bring me the energy. What do you want to eat? What do you want to drink?
I was like, what do you want to eat? What do you want to drink? She was like, I want yam and egg. I'm like, you know what? Say no more.
Say no.
Say no more. I cooked yesterday. You guys, I've not been resting. No, like I don't understand. It's so ridiculous, but I've not had time to rest. Can you see how tired I even look? Yesterday I did so much work. Like I came back and I cooked, and I even cooked like double of what I would cook on a normal day because my cousin randomly messaged me last week. Was it last week? Earlier this week, and he was like, I want home food. Like I want food. I want stew. So I was like, you should remind me after my exam. So he did. So I had to like make like double of what I would make on a normal day. So that was also stressful. But yeah, I think today will be a bit more relaxing actually. So we'll see how it goes. I'm about to eat because the first is eating too now. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to eat.
That food is sweet.
You like it, Abby?
Yes.
Are you joking?
Tasty.
Are you joking? Oh, she likes my eggs and my yam. But yeah, I'm just going to eat now and just some more. So we'll catch you guys later. Say bye, Efe.
Bye, guys.
doing? Cap and turn your lover to a op. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like.
I will say hi.
Hi.
What did you come to do in my room?
I
Answer now. You came to steal food.
No, steal food here.
Yes.
You actually
You what?
made it for me now. It's something you made for me. So how is that stealing?
You sure came to steal my food. Eh?
Anyway, that was big 6 duties now.
He said that's big sis. You're not okay.
Yeah, what did you expect?
You're not okay. Say bye to my channel.
Bye.
Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe.
Hey guys, as you can see, my hair is looking a hot mess, but we're going to change that very soon. Today is Tanwa's birthday. If you don't know Tanwa on this channel, then you must be new, okay? But yeah, today is Tanwa's birthday, and she has a party at her house, so I am dressing up. I already had my makeup done, but my hair is looking a hot mess, so I want to try and see what I can do to get that sorted. This hairstyle is just like, I don't even understand anymore, because it's like I cannot trust anyone in this dead town to touch my hair, to trim, cut, relax, touch my hair at all. So the next time that I can get this hair fixed by a professional is going to be the next time I go to Lagos. So yeah, that is my dilemma right now. Yeah, I'm just going to try and do what I can do. Let me show you guys, and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing after I'm done.
Let me get my words right, cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black.
I'm wearing this top from Shein. I just got this top and I absolutely love it. And this pants from Opoly. The small purse or the small bag is from H&M, I think, and these mules are from H&M as well. Yeah, so that's the fit, guys. That's the fit. I like what I'm wearing. It's very simple, but also still like very chic and fashionable. So yeah, we move. I'll see you guys when I get there or something. I don't know actually. Bye guys.
Off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to